beautiful people, welcome to my channel Creative Suhrita. Today I will show you very easy scenery drawing in very less time. Starting with the stem of the tree and then the leaves in the inverted V shape. It is very easy to make and will improve when practiced regularly. Follow my video in every step so that it becomes very easy for you to make this scenery. And then we will make the mountains and then the riverside and then the bottom of the tree and then the sun. Lastly, don't forget to make the grasses and bottom of the tree. Starting the colors with Camel oil pastel, very basic one, 25 shades. We will take lemon yellow and we will use slip coloring technique to color the half of the sky. Remember not to use the tip, only to use the body of the color. Then we will use sky blue or light blue in the other half of the sky. And gradually we will color the sun with deep yellow. And then we will be coloring the mountains with some violet, dark violet and some white to blend both the colors and give it a perfect natural shade. And then we will start coloring the leaves with some deep green, and remember to fill every spaces in the edges of the leaf and don't leave any white spaces. It will look more natural and more beautiful. When we are completed with coloring of the leaves, then we will start the stem with some brown color. Then we will start the riverside with some light brown, and on top of it we will give some chocolatey shade. Starting with the river with some sky blue or light blue in the same slip technique. Remember to give the shade from the bottom to the top of the river, that is from dark to the lighter shade, so that it looks more natural. On top of it we will give some Prussian blue and black shade to achieve the natural look of the river. We will also give the black shade on the stem of the tree so that it looks more natural and more beautiful. Then we will color the bottom of the tree with some light green and the grasses with deep green. Last but not the least, I will be using black apsara glass marking pencil for detailing the pencil lines, which will add such a good finishing touch to the scenery and which will make our painting more natural and more beautiful. And lastly, if you watched this video till the end, thank you so much. Stay tuned with my channel for more videos like this. I will be regularly posting drawing videos. If you liked my video, hit the like button, share this video with kids, friends and family members, and please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you get the notification. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.